Welcome to Mr.bells Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers and haven't subscribed and been thinking, should I subscribe? Shouldn't I subscribe? Yes, you should subscribe to Mr.bells Kitchen. That's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr.bells Kitchen. Mr.bells got some nice videos out there teaching you how to cook in the Power XL and everything. Plus, it's an easy way of cooking, getting it out the way. Today, I'll be doing something special in this Power XL. Today, I'll be making some cauliflower, cheese, and bacon with little green onions on it. I'll be sauteing it today in the Power XL. So today, my ingredients is right here. I have a nice whole cauliflower. As you see, it's nice and beautiful and nice and round and everything. I'll be using that whole cauliflower. I'll be eyeballing some of this cheese whip in there. And plus, I'll be using some of these bacon bits, Oscar Mayer bacon bits. You can use any kind of bacon bits you want to, but Mr.bells today, I will be using Oscar Mayer. I'll be eyeballing a little butter, and I'll be using a half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'll be using, this right here is 3 green onions. You can use green onions or whatever you want to use. I'll be using a half a teaspoon, a dash original season. This season right here have carrot, onions, garlic, a little bit of everything, but no salt, salt free. So I'm gonna add a little salt. So today I'll be doing this in the Power XL for all my first time viewers been watching my videos and wondering how the top come off and struggling with the top and everything. This is the easy way you do it. I won't be using it, so I'll be taking this top off. That's all you gotta do is lift it up, wiggle 1, 2, and up it go, off it go. So I'll be using the bottom part today. I just set that to the side because I won't be using it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put this on saute. I will be putting this on saute, and I'll be putting it right there on saute. In the meantime, I'm gonna get everything together, cut up this cauliflower and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this Power XL on saute. I'm gonna set the temperature for 350, and I'm gonna start it with 35 minutes. I'm gonna press start, let that heat up some. And what I'm gonna do now, as you see, I kind of broke the cauliflower down a little bit, so I'm gonna just slice it in half, just like this. You know, Mr.bells like taking you step by step, so I'm gonna kind of leave it kind of nice and big like that, so you get a nice taste of it, of the cauliflower. So I'm just gonna cut this in half, just like this. This right here, this is my first time doing this in the Power XL. I'm gonna tell you, this is gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna just break it just like this. And thank you for all your good comments and everything. Mr.bells, hope I've been getting back the best to my knowledge and everything with the comments and everything. So Mr.bells gonna do this like this, just cut it all up like this, and I'll be right back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my butter in right now. While it's just heating up and everything, just let that go in like that. Nice and good, as you see, it's nice and steamy. Put that butter in like that. Just like that. Put the butter in and everything. And let that melt a little bit. Let it melt up nice and good. going to move the camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this cauliflower in just like this. Like I say, if you have vegetables, leftover vegetables, you can do it any kind of way you want to do it. And I'm going to put this in just like that. Just put all this in. Just like this. I'm going to just stir that up. Get all over. What I'm going to do, you also have a top that go with this right here. So I'm going to set the top on for a few minutes. Sit the top on like this. So all my first time viewers, and you wondering, you take the top off to the side. You don't want to take the top off to the back and all the water drip off on the electrical part back here. So you want to take it to the side, either side, like that. So I'm gonna let it sit for about a few minutes, and I'm gonna get rid of this board. And all my first time watchers and everything, as this is cooking, wash the dishes as you go. Don't leave it for your spouse. Don't leave it for your roommate. Don't leave it for your friend. Don't leave it for your kids. Wash it as you go. That way everyone can enjoy this delicious dish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this top off to the side, and I'm going to stir this up. As you see, you might not see my face, but I want to show you how it's looking and everything. It's looking pretty good. So I'm just going to leave the top off for a minute and stir it up and everything. Get this nice, good and soft and everything. I'm going to sit the top to the side. So what I'm going to do, I'm just put my seasoned salt on here just like that. Put my black pepper on. Put a little regular salt on there. And I'm going to put my dash original seasoning. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to stir all that up. Just like that. Like I say, this is an easy dish. Don't take that long to fix it. So stir that up so the season can get over everything. So every bite have a little season on it and everything. Okay, it's looking nice and good. And I'm just gonna eyeball some of these bacon bits on it. Just like this. Just to give it a nice, good little, another little flavor. Just like that. Just put it on like that. Give it that nice good smell also and taste. Like I say, this is an easy dish. So, and I'm just gonna put a little green onions on it and the inside of it. I'll be putting the rest on when it's time to dress it. So I'm going to be ready to take this out in a minute because this is done. You don't want it too soft and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to press cancel. And I'm going to put it in a bowl and I'll be right back. As you see, it's looking nice and good. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this cheese whip and just pour a little all over it, just like that. And just let it go on, like that. And I'm going to take a little bit of bacon on it, and I'm going to just sprinkle that on it like that. Just sprinkle just like this, a little of it. Just sprinkle that just like that. Now that's looking delicious. I'm gonna pour me just a little more cheese on there because it's looking nice and good right on this side where I missed. That's looking nice. Put me a little more green onions on it. And this right here is gonna be delicious. Nice little side dish or whatever you're gonna have with your dinner today. This right here is a nice vegetable for the kids. And I'm gonna put the camera back so you can see a little more. And this right here is your cauliflower sauté with cheese whip and also bacon and onions. See how beautiful that look and everything? And I'm gonna taste this and see how it tastes. Like I say, this is my first time doing it like this. I'm gonna grab one out. It's kind of hot and everything, but I'm still gonna taste it. This is very delicious. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you.